Bismillahi, alhamdulillahi, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected brothers and sisters in faith, welcome to another episode of our program, Hisnul Muslim Series with me, brother Muhammad Gazal Saeed. In our previous episode, we learned the dua to be recited before leaving the washroom. And inshallah, in today's episode, we are going to learn the dua to recite before starting wudu'. That is ablution. The dua to recite before performing the ablution. And the dua goes this way. Bismillah. Bismillah. That is the dua. It is as simple as that. Bismillah. It was reported by Abu Huraira in Sunan Ibn Majah that the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, said that whoever performs the prayer without ablution has no prayer, and whoever performs ablution without mentioning the name of Allah before it has no ablution or wudu'. This stresses the importance of this dua, Bismillah, because if you do not say this dua, Bismillah, in the name of Allah before performing ablution, you have no ablution. I pray that all Muslim brothers and sisters out there learn this dua and make good use of it, so that our ablutions and our prayers will always be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This brings us to the end of this episode, inshallah. I entreat all Muslim brothers and sisters out there to watch out for the next episode. Until next time, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.
I'll be praying every day, I'll call, I'll make dua to you, oh yeah. The only way I speak to you, your love I seek, your love for me. I make dua to you.